Hey guys, what's up? I'm Mariah, and today we are going to open a Shopkins toy fair, a Tsum Tsum pack, and a Heroes Villains blind box. So let's get started. First, we're going to open the Shopkins. Okay, here's our list. Oh, and I can already see we have Cookie, and she's a common. And then we have, I don't know her name. We have to look it up. Oh, and she is Fairy Crumbs right there. And she is a, she is a rare. Okay. No. Excuse me. Now we are going to, now we're going to open some Tsum Tsum packs. Oh, we got the Treasure Cat. Okay, so let me put it together. Wait, anyone can go on that one. Okay. And then this is not a duplicate. We haven't opened many of these, only about 3 or 4. So the last time we got what was it? It was, I can't remember. Let me look on the back and see. Figaro, and then the time before that we got Marie. And so here is the Treasure. Get that in. Here's the Treasure Cat with his little 2 cute trees. I think they're adorable. Here's the Treasure Cat himself. He has about like little stripes on him and a little tail. It's a cat. And he's smiling. That's cute. Okay, last we're going to open a Heroes Villains. So it feels very small. So I think it's either going to be like Jafar, Jafar, Peter Pan, or Jasmine. There we go. Right in that row. Okay, so let's open it. I already took the full face off, so let's. Okay, here he is. I have no clue. You can leave in the comments down below, and subscribe and like. Thanks for watching. Bye.